In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a graphic element or frame layer in Figma using Figmotion. To get started, open your design in Figma and identify the exact graphic element or frame layer you want to animate. This part is important because Figmotion applies animation settings to whatever is currently selected. So before doing anything else, make sure you click on the correct object in your canvas or layers panel. If you're working with multiple elements that look similar, it can help to double check the layer name so you know you're editing the right one. Once your layer is selected, the next step is to launch the Figmotion plugin from your Active Tools directory list. Open your available tools, find Figmotion, and start the plugin while keeping your selected object active. When the plugin opens, you should see its animation workspace appear, giving you access to controls designed specifically for motion inside Figma. If nothing seems to happen at first, take a moment to confirm that the correct layer is still selected, since that often affects what appears inside the plugin. After Figmotion is open, move your attention to the timeline editor at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll define how your animation behaves over time. In the timeline, you can set property parameters, such as X and Y translation for movement, or opacity if you want the object to fade in or out. Think of the timeline as the place where you tell the layer where to start, how to change, and when those changes should happen. As you adjust these properties, be intentional about the effect you're trying to create. X and Y values control position, so they're useful for sliding elements across the screen or creating subtle motion. Opacity controls visibility, which is perfect for smooth entrances or exits. The timeline helps you organize these changes clearly, making it easier to build motion that feels polished and purposeful. Take your time while setting your property parameters, especially if you're new to animation. Small adjustments can make a big difference, and smoother motion often comes from careful placement in the timeline rather than extreme values. If your animation doesn't look quite right on the first try, that's completely normal. Review the selected layer, reopen the plugin if needed, and fine-tune the parameters in the timeline until the movement matches your design intent. That's the basic process for animating a selected element or frame layer in Figma with Figmotion. Once you get comfortable with selecting layers, opening the plugin, and controlling properties in the timeline, creating clean motion becomes much more intuitive.